One of the biggest assets we have is our people. The folks that are manufacturing these parts, helping design these parts, or any part of our organization, there's lots of potential for those individuals to join a great company with a great environment, a friendly place to work, a place that you can come and make a difference. Each and every one of us have a chance to help patients in a way. I know it's through our OEMs that we do that with, but we have a big part in the process of making sure these devices are made to the exacting specifications that our customers need. It takes a lot of talented people to do that. Our customers are counting on us to give them the best product possible, and I think working in an environment like that is a very rewarding place to be.